From previous video, we recall that there are some parameters which we need to configure to use DC start or stop. So we will go to ADV group. We will configure ADV 7 as DC start and ADV 8 as DC break. Then DC start time as 1 second. DC start level I will keep 50% and DC block time I will put 1 second. I will keep DC break time same as 1 second and DC break level same as 50% and DC break frequency 10 Hz. Now let's start the motor. So here I'm pausing the video to explain. You see green LED on, which means the start command is received. The frequency you see is 0 and at the top you see DC, which means DC voltage are applied now. What is the practical effect at start? We will see detail later. If I resume the video, you will notice VFD will apply DC voltage for 1 second. After DC start time expires, the VFD starts normal operation. I will put selector switch to stop position and just notice when the frequency reach to 10 Hz. So here I will pause the video again. We set 1 second block time and 1 second DC break time. In DC block time, the motor will run free below 10 Hz based on its momentum for 1 second. Then after that DC break will be applied, which we set it to 1 second. What we need to observe, just notice the frequency and voltage. So here I resume the video.